Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Today we're going to be looking at the Tudia Merge matte black two-piece case for my Razer phone. Shout out to Tudia for giving me the opportunity to review their products for all of you. As always, we'll be leaving the link down below in the description area. When you hit that link, it'll take you right over to Amazon. And this is what you'll see. Razer phone case, Tudia Slim Fit, Heavy Duty Merge, Extreme Protection, Rugged but Slim Dual Layer Case for your Razer phone 2017 variant. Matte Black. There are 3 other color choices along with the Matte Black for $12.90. There's the Matte Black, Metallic Slate, and that one is just bold right there. Mint, Rose Gold. I would sport that mint. I don't know about the Rose Gold, but hey man, at least you got 4 different color choices for $12.90. And if you scroll down below, there's a lot more information here for you to read. So please read everything before you order. But I've always said, in my opinion, when it comes to Tudia cases, you cannot go wrong. A little bit of money goes a long way to protect your investment. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this case out of this very nice presentation here. Razer. Big letters, bold letters. For a bold case, for a bold powerhouse device. Got your button layout there, volume rocker up, volume rocker down. You got that anti-slip textured sides right there, left and right hand side. Right or left hand side, either way. It just gives you a nice better grip. That matte finish, very nice in the palm of my hand. Feels very solid, very good. Tudia doing everything they can to protect your device. You have to do the rest. That means you have to hold on to your device with this case on it. Okay. Got the cutout there for the power button. Doubles up as a fingerprint reader. Cutout there for your cameras, your flash. A lot of depth there to protect that area there. Very nice. But we're going to take a couple pictures and make sure there's no shadowing going on. Up top, you have a cutout for the mic. At the bottom, cutout for your USB Type-C charging port area and a cutout for the other mic. That is a hard shell polycarbonate back. Matte finish. Inside, TPU material, flexible TPU material with Tudia Merge brand name right there and the Tudia brand name right there. So everything looking good, and we have the Razer phone. So you could separate both these pieces, but you don't have to. But if you want to, be my guest. But it's that easy. And man, that just looks, wow, sexy. Cannot go wrong. Look at that. Volume up. Nice and clicky. And you can hear that. Okay. Power button. Turn it off. Turn it on. And it's on. Again, that is a power button, but it doubles as a fingerprint reader as well. And you can see how that recesses in there. It's recessed. A little bit of depth. And there you go. Quickly turns on. Very nice. At the bottom, USB Type-C charging port area, your mic and your mic. Now, we're going to test out my USB Type-C cable. There's always disclaimers in these videos. Not every product is going to work with every case. My screen protector on here is working with this Tudia Merge case, which is great. It's a tempered glass screen protector, so there's no lifting going on there. It's working perfect. There's lip all around to set down. Should be fine on most surfaces. Not all, but most, okay? Not every USB Type-C cable is going to work with this area here, but this cutout here, that's a huge cutout. So you shouldn't have any problems with most, a high percentage of cables. There are some that are a lot larger in this area right here, but I have a lot of cables laying around my home, and I've had no issues with Tudia cases when it comes to using different type of cables from different type of companies. that there's always that chance. Okay, but I like to test these out in the video so you can see that this third-party cable works with Tudia cases. There you go. Turn that off again, and we'll plug it in. There's no wireless charging. The Razer Phone 2 has been announced. It will have wireless charging. So if Tudia puts out cases for the Razer Phone 2, I hopefully will be testing those out as well, and we'll be testing out the wireless charging with those cases on the Razer Phone 2. But man, this just looks sexy. We're going to go ahead and take a couple pictures and make sure there's no shadowing. Okay. And everything looking great. And that is just a beautiful picture. The Razer phone has come a long way with software updates to get this camera to where it is today, and it gets the job done. All right. Again, thank you, Tudia. The Merge, polycarbonate back, hard shell back, inner part TPU material, flexible, great protection, anti-slip for a nice feel, solid feel for a powerhouse device. All right, everybody, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Till my next video. God bless. Peace.